Hello, everyone. Welcome to Western New England's virtual open house. I'm Emily Dimzik, and my partner Tyler Thomas is also joining me today. We are both senior biomedical engineering majors, and we are going to take you through the development of our senior design project. To begin, preterm infant mortality rates are rapidly increasing around the world. Preterm neonate anatomy is not developed enough to regulate their body temperature, which is why they are treated in incubators. Healthcare systems in developing countries do not have access to advanced equipment like state of the art incubators that developed countries like our own have. Often their equipment is old and donated and in disrepair. Repair parts are most often discontinued by the manufacturing companies, and other parts are too expensive for hospitals in developing countries to afford. Because incubators are vital in the treatment of preterm babies, we have designed an open source infant incubator for developing countries. To be open source means that the parts used to develop the incubator are easily accessible in every country and inexpensive. In addition, all healthcare providers may be able to assemble and use the device despite differences in languages and training. We believe that our open source infant incubator will be a sustainable solution for the treatment of preterm babies in developing countries.
To initiate our design, we broke a commercial infant incubator into critical subsystems. The major subsystems are shown in the image to your right, which include a bed, an enclosure, a control system, alarms, heater, and a humidifier. After segmenting the incubator into subsystems, we conducted testing on each component to ensure it functioned correctly. We then integrated the components of each subsystem together, forming a functional incubator. We are currently working to optimize the function of the incubator. At the conclusion of the semester, we will have a functional prototype able to replicate each subsystem of the commercial incubator. In the future, a partnership or development of a nonprofit organization will oversee the distribution and manufacturing of the open source incubator. The nonprofit will continue the optimization of the open source incubator to reduce the manufacturing costs and improve the efficiency of distribution to grow the open source medical device community. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoy your virtual open house.